Good afternoon, students. So let's just continue with applications of derivatives. So yesterday we had we solved problems like finding whether the function is increasing or decreasing. That is what we did yesterday, isn't it? So we'll continue finding the local minima and local maxima and absolute minimum and absolute maximum. Okay, all those stuff. So I'll just share the screen. One second. Okay, so we had solved till 30th question. So let's start from 31st question. The tangent to the curve y is equal to e to the power 2x at the point 0, 1 meets x-axis at which point? Meets x-axis at which point? So option A is wrong. It is meeting x-axis and y value is 0. So option A is wrong. Y value should be 0 if it is meeting x-axis, because x-axis may y point 0. So option A is wrong. So it should be option B, C, or D. Okay. And option D is also wrong because it is 0, 2. Again, y is not 0 over there. So A and D complete wrong. Only you have to check B and C. I repeated, the tangent is meeting the x-axis. So x-axis na meet madtide andre. So it should be y value should be 0. So option A and option D illi y value 0 agilla. So that is wrong. Option D and option C alle irbeku. So try doing this. Yesterday we have done. So here the curve is y is equal to e to the power 2x. Did anyone get the answer? So it should be between option B and option C. I've given you the clue. So tangent to the curve. Andre first dy by dx kanidiri. Okay. And look on board, just observe y is equal to e to the power 2x. Let's find y dash. Okay, y dash will be 2 times e to the power 2x. If you differentiate, that's what you get, isn't it? So let's find the slope. The tangent is drawn at the point 0, 1. So let's find the slope at 0, 1. So y dash at 0, 1 will become 2 into e to the power x is 0. So e to the power 0 is 1. So you get it as 2 into 1. Therefore, y dash at 0, 1 is 2. Okay, so you got the slope at 0, 1. Okay. So you know equation of a tangent, right? Equation of tangent is given by y minus y1 into m into x minus x1, where m is your slope. Okay. So your x1 and y1 are this. So y minus 1 is equal to, the slope is 2. Equation of a tangent. Tangent another straight line alwa. You would have learned in straight line chapter. Equation of a tangent. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is a formula. Okay, I'm using that formula because it's a straight line. I'm finding the equation. Equation of straight line. Okay, now y minus 1 into 2 times x minus x1 is 0. So you get y minus 1 is equal to 2x. Okay, this is the equation of the tangent. A tangent, a curve iratala, e power 2x. A curve ge now one tangent draw madidvi. That tangent is a straight line. A straight line the equation sikkide. Okay. Yogi straight line ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ? It is passing through the x-axis. It is passing through the x-axis. So x-axis hatra pass ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. So x-axis hatra pass ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ y value ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So 0 minus 1 is equal to 2x. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to 2x, which implies x is minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the point will become minus 1 by 2 comma 0. That is your answer. So very simple. So e to the power 2x, you will get a curve. Okay. So all tangent draw ಮಾಡ್ತಾ tangent draw ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ it is passing through the x-axis. ಈ tangent ಅದು equation ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. That is what we did. So ಈ tangent equation ಸಿಕ್ತು. This is passing through x-axis ಅಂದ್ರೆ x-axis ಹತ್ರ pass ಆದಾಗ y 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಆ value condition ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು we got the value of x. X is minus 1 by 2. I hope it's clear. So x value is minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the point will become minus 1 by 2 comma 0. So let's go to the next one. Similarly, next one. The points at which the tangents to the curve are parallel to x-axis. The points at which, observe the points, yav points anta keltidare. Okay, at which tangents to the curve y is equal to x cube minus 12x plus 18 is equal to plus 18 are parallel to x-axis. Yav point atra alliro curve yavado y is equal to x cube minus 12x plus 18. This is the curve. Let me check it once again. Yeah, y is equal to x cube minus 12x plus 18. Okay. First, let's differentiate it. dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 12. Okay, now this is the slope. Okay, but they've given it is parallel to the x-axis. Yav point atra the tangent is parallel to the x-axis, and we know that whenever a tangent is parallel to the x-axis, what condition can we take? What is the condition that we can take? Parallel to x-axis agidre slope ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? If a line is parallel to x-axis, then the slope will be equal to
y is 0.
Y is 0. No. The slope is 0. Okay, andre parallel to x-axis alva. So slope ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು? tan theta is equal to m. ಇವಾಗ ಇವೆರಡರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ? It is parallel ಅಂದ್ರೆ the angle is 0. So tan 0 is equal to m, which implies m is equal to 0. So parallel to x-axis ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, if they are parallel to x-axis, then the slope is 0. So 0 equals 3x square minus 12. Therefore, 3x square is equal to 12, which implies x square is equal to 4. Therefore, x is plus or minus 2. So, then x value siktu. Iva y kandidibekalva. Adike idin use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay. When x is equal to 2, y will become 2 cube minus 12 into 2 plus 18. So that is 8 minus 24 plus 18. So 8 minus 24 plus 18. So you will get it as 2. Okay. You will get minus 16 plus 18 is 2. Okay. You got when x is equal to 2. When x is equal to minus 2, y is minus 2 the whole cube minus 12 into minus 2 plus 18. Minus 2 the whole cube is minus 8 plus 24 plus 18. So 18 minus 8 is 10. 10 plus 24 is 34. So y is equal to 34. Therefore, the points are 2, 2 and minus 2, 34. These are the points at which the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. So parallel to the x-axis and the slope is 0. So dy by dx 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ x ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಮೇಲೆ y ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು. That's it. I'm sorry. Okay. Once again. Yeah. So we'll go to the next question. At the point 0, 0, at the point 0, 0, the curve y is equal to x to the power 1 by 5 as no tangent, horizontal tangent, an oblique tangent, a vertical tangent. Horizontal tangent andre parallel to x-axis. Vertical tangent andre parallel to y-axis. Oblique tangent andre it will make some angle. No tangent andre there is no slope at all. So the curve is y is equal to x to the power 1 by 5. So try out this slope kanidiri at 0, 0. Differentiate it first. Differentiate it and put the values x is 0, y is 0. Differentiate ಮಾಡಿ ಆ values ಹಾಕಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೋ depending on that you'll tell it. So ಇವಾಗ ತಾನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. If dy by dx is 0, then it is parallel to x axis ಅಂದ್ರೆ horizontal tangent. ಇವಾಗ dy by dx ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ then it is parallel to y axis. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is parallel to y axis ಅಂತ. If any other thing, then it will be oblique tangent. You will get a tangent. So option B, C, D ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Differentiated. Make it fast. Y is equal to x to the power 1 by 5. If we differentiate it, what do we get? 1 by 5 x to the power 1 by 5 minus 1 n into x to the power n minus 1. So 1 by 5 x to the power minus 4 by 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If you take LCM and solve it. Okay, ಈ power na negative ಇದೆ. This power is negative. You want to make the positive, reverse the base, reciprocal the base. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 5 it will become 1 by x to the power 4 by 5. I'm just making, you know this formula, right? A to the power minus n is 1 divided by a to the power n. I'm just using that. So this is your y dash. Now at which point there was 0, 0. So x0 kade 0 hakana. 1 by 5, 1 by 0 to the power anything 0. So 1 by 0 is nothing but infinity. So you got y dash as infinity. Okay. So you're getting the slope as infinity, then it should be a vertical tangent. Okay. Parallel to x axis. Sorry, y axis. Vertical tangent will be the answer. So nimge slope infinity bartide andre vertical tangent. Ade 0 bantu andre horizontal tangent. Let's go to the next one. If x plus y is equal to k is normal to the curve y square is equal to 12x, then k is equal to what? So x plus y is equal to k ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು straight line. ಆ straight line ಬಂದು ಈ curve y square is equal to 12x ಅನ್ನೋ curve ಗೆ ಅದು perpendicular ಆಗಿದೆ. It is normal to the curve. Then what will be the value of k? Okay, x plus y is equal to k, and the other one is y square is equal to
option B.
Option
9. Option B.
Okay, option B 9. Okay, let's check it good. Let's check it out. Okay, so y square is equal to 12x, x plus y is equal to 9. Okay, so since these two are I mean this is normal to this curve, and the slope of this and slope of this will be perpendicular to each other, alva. So what you can do is, so let's find slope of this. It will become 2y into y dash is equal to 12. Therefore y dash is equal to 12 by 2y. 2 ones are 2 6 are. Therefore y dash is 6 by y. Okay, here you can if you wish, slope of this will become minus x. Standard form of slope of this is minus 1. So let me take this as m2, let me take this as m1. So if I multiply m1 and m2, I should get it as minus 1 because this is normal to the curve. Okay, m1 is minus 1 into 6 by y is equal to minus 1. Okay, so minus minus gets cancelled. Therefore, y is equal to 6. Okay, once y is equal to 6, you can find the value of x. So y value 6. Adhe tara x value kanidiyana. So you can put it in this itself. Y square is equal to 12x y is 6 square is equal to 12x. 36 is equal to 12x. Therefore, 36 by 12 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Okay. So these points should satisfy that. So x plus y is equal to k. X is 3 plus y is 6 is equal to k. K is equal to 9. Okay. That's the value of k. So very simple. Since this is normal to this curve, slope of this and slope of this, if you multiply it, you should get it as what to say, -1, because if two are perpendicular, the slopes will be equal to -1. Why? M1 into M2 is equal to -1. Using that, I got the value of y. Then you can find the value of x. Okay. Let's go to the next question. The point at which the curves x square is equal to y and y square is equal to x cut orthogonally. Yav point atra x square is equal to y and y square is equal to x cut orthogonally. Andre, the angle between them is 90 degrees. Or you multiply the slopes of both, you'll get it as -1. X square is equal to y, y square is equal to x. X square is equal to y square is equal to x. So 2x equals y dash. So this will become 2y into y dash is equal to x. Therefore, y dash is equal to x by 2y. Okay. So, sorry, it will become 1. I'm sorry. If you differentiate it, 2y into y dash, x and differentiate 1. So 1 by 2y. Okay. So if you multiply these two slopes, because they are orthogonal, if you multiply them, 2x into 1 by 2y is equal to -1. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So x by y is equal to -1. Therefore, x is equal to -y. That's what you got it. Now substitute it to get the values. Okay. So either substitute manala. Y square is equal to x. X n minus y. So y square is equal to -y. Get it this side. Y square plus y is equal to 0. Therefore, y of y plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 0 or y is equal to -1. Okay. So ivaga y value 6 to 0 or -1. So 0 is the x is -1 alva. So x is -y. So y is 0 adaga x 0 agutte. Y 0 adaga x 0 agutte. Y -1 adaga x 1 agutte. So the points are 0, 0 or 1, -1. These should be the answers. 1, -1 or 0, 0. That's what you should get it. So I'll simply repeat it. So e curve ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, slopes ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. We found the slopes. Since they are orthogonal, if you multiply the slopes, you should get -1. So 2x into 1 by 2y is equal to -1. Therefore, I got this x is equal to -1. You ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ substitute ಮಾಡಿ. Here or here. So you will get the values of y. Once you get the values of y, you can find the values of x. So we have got two values, 0, 0, 1, -1. So depending on the option, we have to select. So in the option 1, -1 illa, 0, 0 ಇದೆ, 1, 1 ಇದೆ, 2, 2 ಇದೆ, and none of this. Okay, so we have to choose the option 0, 0 since 1, -1 is not there. Okay, so that will be the correct one, 0, 0. Okay, the straight line x by a plus y by b equal to 2 touches the curve x by a whole to the power n plus y by b whole to the power n equal to 2 at the point a comma b. For n is equal to 2, for n is equal to 3, any n, no n. Andre ivaga on curve ide alva, x by a whole to the power n, y by b whole to the power n is equal to 2. Okay, ಈ curve ಗೆ ಈ x by a plus y by b equal to 2 ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Okay, it's clearly you can see it at the point a comma b ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, you substitute it, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ substitute ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. It doesn't depend what is the value of n. Okay, but we'll prove it in another way. So the curve is x by a whole to the power n, y by b whole to the power n. X by a whole to the power n plus y by b whole to the power n is equal to let's differentiate it. Okay, what do we get if I differentiate it? X by a whole to the power, so n into x by a whole to the power n minus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Into x na differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you get 1 by a. That will write it outside. Yeah, x by a whole to the power n. ಇದನ್ನ x ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ n into x by a whole to the power n minus 1. Then ಒಳಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what do you get? X by a differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 by a ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So I have written it like this. Okay, plus similarly for this n by b y by b whole to the power n minus 1 is equal to 0 into y dash ಬರುತ್ತೆ because we are doing it. So let's find y dash. N by b y by b whole to the power n minus 1 is equal to minus n by a x by a whole to the power n minus 1. Okay, that is equal to y dash. I am trying to find the slope y dash. So y dash will become minus n by a x by a whole to the power n minus 1 divided by, get it downwards, n by b y by b whole to the power n minus 1. Okay, n gets cancelled. So you're left with this. You can simplify it further. 1 by a. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ x by a whole to the power n by x by a ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. You can write it like this. Okay, then this you can write it as y by b whole to the power n by y by b. Okay, once again, there is some mistake. Just a second. Here, one second. Here I made a mistake, small mistake. Okay, let it be like this itself. Let's not simplify it. Okay, so this is y dash ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Now they asked us to find y dash at a comma b, which means x value I have to put it as a, y value I have to put it as b. So let me put that. So x value as a and y value as b. So minus n by a, x value is a. So a by a gets cancelled. 1 to the power anything is 1. And n by b 1. One second. Okay. So n gets cancelled. Therefore, you'll get minus b by a as the slope. Okay. I'll just summarize what I've done. I've just differentiated this. I've got the slope. Now we know the equation of tangent. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the equation of tangent. So what happens is, for this curve, you'll get the equation of tangent as x by a plus y by a is y by b is equal to 2. That's what we are trying to do. Okay. So y minus this y1 is b equal to m is minus b by a, x minus x1 is a. Okay. Let's just simplify this. If we simplify it, we will get it as y minus b minus bx by a plus b. Okay, take LCM. If you take LCM, y minus b equals minus bx ab by a. Send this a the other side. Ay minus ab minus bx plus ab. Bit lengthy type. Okay, minus bx this side, minus ab that side. Ay plus bx is equal to 2ab. So divide by AB madadre, you will get back x by A plus y by B is equal to 2. So I'll just tell you what I did here. This was the curve given. Idana differentiate madade. So y dash kandikonde at A comma B or radial. So at A comma B, I got the slope minus B by A is the slope that I got. Then this is the equation of the tangent. Okay. So why am I finding the equation of tangent? Ee curve na ಯಾವ curve touch ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ check ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Okay. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 is the equation of tangent. I just substitute the value, I got this. So in the question they have told this curve is touching this curve, isn't it? So this is acting as a tangent. So does it depend on the value of n? Illi now n value ಏನಂತೂ mention ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. We just randomly we took n ಅಂತ general ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So let whatever be the value of n, this will definitely touch this because e curve ಗೆ this is acting as a tangent. This is the equation of tangent, alva. So that's what we have got. But directly you would have seen it if you substitute. This is the theoretical way, but if you substitute at a comma b, just put it in the place of x and y. A by a 1 power n is 1. A by b, I mean b by b, that is also 1 power n is 1 itself. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So it doesn't matter what is the value of n. So directly you could have checked that. Slope of the tangent to the curve x is equal to a sin cube t plus, sorry, y is equal to b cos cube t at pi by 2. So again, this is a very simple one. X is equal to a sin cube t, y is equal to b cos cube t. X is equal to a sin cube t, y is equal to b cos cube t. So here we'll differentiate with respect to t. Dx by dt equals 3a sin square t cos t. That's what you'll get. Dy by dt, you'll get it as dy by dt, you'll get it as 3b cos square t. Cos and differentiate minus. So I'll put that minus here, minus sin t. So we want dy by dx. That is nothing but dy by dt divided dx by dt. So what is our dy by dt? Minus 3b cos square t sin t divided by 3a 3a sin square t cos t. Okay. So 3 gets cancelled. Cos t gets cancelled. Sin t gets cancelled. So you're left with minus b by a cos by sin is cot, direct ability cot t. Okay. So this is our dy by dx. They've asked you to find dy by dx at pi by 2. At t equals pi by 2. So let's put pi by 2 minus b by a cot pi by 2. So we know cot pi by 2 is 0. So 0 into minus b by a is 0. Therefore, the tangent is, the slope is 0. So it's very simple. We differentiated it and we found the value dy by dx value at t is equal to pi by 2. That's all we did. Just normal differentiation. So let's go to the next one. The equation of the normal to the curve, which is parallel to the line. The equation of the normal to the curve. So here we are supposed to find equation of the normal. Okay. Which is to the curve 3x square minus y square is equal to 8, which is parallel to the line x plus 3y is equal to 8. X plus 3y is equal to 8. Okay. Let me write the question again. The curve is 3x square minus y square equal to 8. 3x square minus y square is equal to 8. Which is parallel to the line, x plus 3y is equal to 8. Okay. So I'll give you a hint. You can only try it. See, equation of tangent andre y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. M jagdali usually we write it as dy by dx at whatever point they've asked, x1 comma y1 usually. So this is equation of tangent. Equation of normal andre same thing, minus 1 by dy by dx. Okay, x minus x1. So I've given you the hint. Please solve it and tell me. Okay. That is the formula to find the equation of the normal. So look at the question. The equation of the normal to the curve. So now equation of the normal kandidibeku. The curve is 3x square minus y square equal to 8, which is parallel to the line x plus 3y equal to 8. Which is parallel to the line x plus 3y is equal to 8. So you can do it. So I've already given you the formula. Please try it out. Simple. I've already told you what happens if it is parallel. No one got it? Okay, we'll do it. Okay. So just observe. So let's find the slope of this. This is very easy. You have to just find it and you have to substitute it. That's it. Let's find the slope of this. So differentiate it. So it will become 6x minus 2y into y dash is equal to 0. Therefore, it will become 6x is equal to 2y into y dash. Therefore, y dash will become 6x by 2y, which implies y dash is equal to 3x.
Option C is x plus 3y plus or minus 8 equal to 0.
Okay, let's do it. Okay. So this is the slope. Alva. So idikiro tangent to, okay. Sorry, the slope, the normal to the curve is parallel to this line. First, let's find what this is the slope of the tangent. Slope of the normal will become the reverse with a negative sign. So it will become minus 1 by y by 3x. Okay. This is equal to the slope of this because e normal e line slope parallel ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So slope of this, let's get it in the standard form. 3y is equal to 8 minus x. Therefore, y is equal to 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3x. Okay. Therefore, the slope will become minus 1 by 3. So this and that will be equal. See, E curve is normal, E slope jate equal agide, which means these two are parallel and therefore they are equal. Okay. So slope is 3x by y. Slope of the normal is ulta with a negative sign, minus y by 3x. So let's just equate it. Minus y by 3x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay. Minus minus gets cancelled, 3 gets cancelled. Therefore, you get y is equal to x. You got y is equal to x. Now you can substitute it. So let's substitute here. 3x square minus y square equal to 8. 3x square minus y is equal to x. X square is equal to 8. 3x square minus x square is 2x square. 2x square is equal to 8. Therefore, x square will become 4, which implies x is plus or minus 2. Okay. So when x is plus or minus 2, y will also become same thing because y and x is same, alva. So x is plus or minus 2, and y will become plus or minus 2. Okay. Therefore, the equation will become y minus, now 2 togolana, x is 2, y is 2 togolana. Y minus 2 equals minus 1 by dy by dx. So x and y are same, alva. So gets cancelled. X and y are same. So gets cancelled. You will have 3. 3 x minus x1 is also 2. So x value, y value considered 2 anta we are taking it. So e 3 bada throw out multiply by 3 or 3 you send it this side. So it will become 3y minus 6 is equal to minus x plus 2. So get this minus x this side. 3y plus x minus 6 plus 2 is said minus 8 equal to 0. This is one equation. Okay, now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು values ಇದೆ. Now positive value ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. Next negative value ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. X is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 2. You solve it same thing, but you will get it as plus 8. That's it. So 3y plus x plus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, in general, you can write it as 3y plus x and ulta varena. X plus 3y. One sari plus 8 bantu, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರಿ minus 8 bantu. So plus or minus 8 equal to 0. So as simple as that. This was very, very easy. You guys could have done it. Okay, now. So the equation of the normal to the curve, which is parallel to the line x plus 3y equal to 8 is option C, x plus 3y plus or minus 8 equal to 0. They have given the equation of the normal is parallel to the curve. Andre normal do ಏನು slope ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ದು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is why first what we did was we found dy by dx, but ಈ dy by dx ಲೈನ್ ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದರದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. That is equal to the slope of this. So we equated it, we got y is equal to x. From that we can find the points. We found the points and we got the equation. That's it. Okay, let's go to the next one. The equation of the tangent to the curve y of 1 plus x square equals 2 minus x, where it crosses x-axis is. Okay, we are supposed to find the equation of the tangent here, and the curve is crossing the x-axis. Observe the curve y is equal to 1, y of 1 plus x square equal to 2 minus x, where it crosses the x-axis is. So we have to find the equation of the tangent. I'll give it as a task for you. I've given you the formula also already. Same stuff, you have to do it. Okay, this is the equation of the tangent. Y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx into x minus x1. So ಈ y1 x1 ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get the equation of tangent. Okay, same stuff, so I'm not going to do that. They've given the hint here last time, which is parallel to the line ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, but here it crosses the x-axis ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, let's go to the next one. This also you can write if the curve ay plus x square is equal to 7 and x cube is equal to y, cut orthogonally. Orthogonally cut ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು, the slope m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So first curve ಗೆ slope ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ, second curve ಗೂ slope ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. If you multiply it, you will get minus 1. So, and you can find the value of a. So please do this. This is very, very easy. You can do it quickly. You can do it. Find the slope of the first curve at 1, 1. Find the slope of the next curve at 1, 1. And if you multiply both, you should get -1 because they are cutting and they cut each other orthogonally. So ay plus x square is equal to 7, comma y x cube is equal to y. So find the slope of both at 1, 1. So let's differentiate it. A into y dash plus 2x is equal to 0. Therefore, y dash is equal to minus 2x by a. So at 1, 1 andre exactly y dash at 1, 1 andre exactly 1 akare minus 2 by a agate. This is the slope. Similarly, 3x square is equal to y dash at 1, 1. Y dash at 1, 1 will become 3 into 1 square, which is 3. So both the slopes, if you multiply, you should get it as -1 because they cut each other orthogonally. Therefore, -2 into 3 is -6 is equal to a na side kalsi minus a agate. Therefore, a value is 6. Minus minus gets cancelled. Therefore, a value is 6. So whenever they cut each other orthogonally, erado slope kandidiri multiply madare -1 barutte. That is the condition. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay. The approximate value of f of 3.02, where f of x is equal to 3x square plus 5x plus 3. What will be the value? Approximation values. So here you have to find, suppose f of x ಗೆ y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ f of delta x ಗೆ ನಾವು delta y ಅಂತ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Therefore here if you want f of x plus delta x, it is f of x plus f of delta x, which is y plus delta y, or you can also take it as dy. And this dy, you should know this, it is given as f dash of x into dx. The small error or the approximation dy is equal to f dash of x into dx. This is the formula that we are going to use. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ f of 3.02 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ f of 3 plus 0.02 ಅಂತ represent ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? Therefore it will become f of 3 plus f of 0.2. That is nothing but dy. This is y. This is nothing but dy. At dy na heng kandidedu using this formula f dash of x dx. Let's do that properly. Let me erase this. So ಇದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. f of x plus dx is equal to f of x plus dy. This dy is given as f dash of x dx. Okay, ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಇದರ ಒಂದರ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತರ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. That's it. Okay. So just remember this as your direct formula. Okay. So here we have to find f of 3.02 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. I'll write this as f of 3 plus 0.02. Okay. That will be equal to f of 3 plus f dash of 3. This dx is nothing but the small change, 0.02. That will be the value. Okay. So the given function f of x is, let's check it out. What is f of x? F of x is 3x square. 3x square minus 5x plus 3. 3x square plus 5x plus 3. Sorry. So that's the question. So f of 3 kanidiyana. F of 3 ಬಂದು 3 into 3 square plus 5 into 3 plus 3. So it will become 9 3s are 27 plus 15 plus 3. So 42 plus 3 is 45. So f of 3 is 45. So this you got at 45 plus f dash of 3 kanidiyಬೇಕು. First f dash of x kanidiyana, that is 6x plus 5. So f dash of 3 will become 6 into 3 plus 5. 18 plus 5, 23. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. 23 into 0.02. Okay. So 45 plus 23 into 0.02. 23 into 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 46 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 2 digits ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 2 digits ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು. So it will become 0.46. Okay. Therefore, 45 plus 0.46 is 45.46. 23 into 0.02, that will become 23 into 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 46 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಸೊ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಡೋಣ. ಸೊ 45 plus 0.46 is 45.46. You can just take this as formula, f of x plus dx is equal to f of x plus f dash of x dx. So you observe madre, this is your x and this is your dx. That's why we got this. Okay, just remember this for any approximation. Remember this. So derivative is also used in approximation. So next one, could you find it? If y is equal to x power 4 minus 10, if x changes from 2 to 1.99, then what is the change in value of y? Andre delta x kottavare, delta x bandu 0.1, 0.01. What is delta y or dy eshtu anta kelidare? We know what is the formula for dy. I've already given you. Dy is this, f dash of x dx. So find that f dash of x into dx. Got it? The change in value of y andre dy. Dy is the change in value of y. You get it? Just use the formula, that's it. Dy is f dash of x dx, that's it. So y is equal to x power 4 minus 10. Okay, so dy will become 4x cube dx. Okay, so dy by dx antane ತಗೋಣ, 4x cube. Okay, so direct ಆಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, 4x cube dx. You can directly do it if you wish, or you can use this formula. Okay, here 4 x is 2 cube, dx is 0.01. So 2 cube is 8, 8 4s are 32. 32 into 0.01, that will become 0.32. 0.32. Okay, dy is equal to, or idral substitute madro ade barutte. Here you will f dash of x is 4x cube. So differentiated, what do you get? 4x cube you get into dx. That's what I wrote it directly. 4x is changing from 2 to 1.99, right? So this is your x value initial. Okay, so 2 cube. Now it has changed from 2 to 1.99. What is the change? Take the modulus of it. 0.01 is the change. Okay, I know it is going in the downwards, but we'll take positive. So multiply 0.32. So the change in the value of y, x 0.01 has to change, y the value 0.32 has to change again. So let's go to the next one. Yeah, the function f of x is equal to x as only one maximum and one minimum, only one minimum, no extreme value. What will be the correct answer? F of x is equal to x. Before getting into it, yesterday I had given this rule. I'll just repeat it again. Second derivative test. It's very, very important. So if the f dash of c is 0 and f double dash of c is less than 0, you will have maximum value at c. Okay, f dash of c is 0, but f double dash of c is greater than 0, you will have minimum. Okay, at c. Then suppose f dash of c is 0, f dash of c is also 0, then the test fails and at this thing you have to check f triple dash of C. If this is not equal to 0, then C is a point of inflection. Okay, remember this. They'll ask you to find the point of inflection. So what you have to do is F double dash of C 0 agiddu, suppose F triple dash of C 0 agtilla andre, then this point C is called as point of inflection. Okay. Apart from this, these two things are very, very important. Okay. Sometimes what happens is you will not be able to check. Okay, F dash of C define agilla, athwa you are not able to find the critical values. Then what you have to do is suppose F double dash of C ನೀವು ಕಂಡಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, it is like that ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ F dash of C a critical point ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ C, ಆದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದಿನ values ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದಿನ values ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Is it changing the sign? If it is changing the sign, then either it will have maximum or minimum value. Okay, let's say this is C value. Either ಹಿಂದಿನ values either ಮುಂದಿನ values sign check ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. If it is from positive to negative, then it is maximum. Then at C you will have maximum value. If it is from negative to positive, then minimum value. Suppose C ಆಚೆ ಈಚೆ sign change ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ then maximum ಇರಲ್ಲ, minimum ಇರಲ್ಲ. Okay, so you want to have maximum and minimum. This, when will you use this? When you are not able to tell using this second derivative or F double dash of C ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, then you can check with F dash of C. Okay, F dash of C ಹಿಂದಿನ values, the previous values, check what's the sign. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದಿನ values, what's the sign. If it is changing the sign, then either maximum or minimum. If it is from positive to negative, maximum. Negative to positive, minimum. But illu positive iddu C admelu positive idre, it is not at all changing the sign. Therefore, this cannot be maximum or minimum. Only if it is changing the value, you will get maximum or minimum. So f of x is equal to x. It is neither maximum or nor minimum. You can check it with the graph itself. So it will be going both the sides, it will be extending. So minimum values sigala, maximum value no nimge sigala. So no extreme value. Okay. So 44th one, f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 3. F of x is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 3. And see here, there is a difference between local maximum and absolute maximum. Okay, see, let's take a curve something like this. Okay, something like this. You can observe there are many maximums. All these are local maximums. All these are local maximums, and you also got local minimums. These are local minimums in the LT. But observe, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ maximum allu yado ondu, it will be the highest. Okay, that is known as the absolute maximum, a value which is always greater compared to all other values. This value can consider it as maximum. Okay, but is it always greater compared to this? No. Observe, there is something else. Between this interval, illinda ee interval olage, this is maximum. But if I consider the entire interval from here to here, this cannot be the maximum value, right? So absolute maximum andre, it is that value which is always greater. Andre f of C is always greater than f of x for all x. Ella x go f of C yavaglu enagirutte, greater agirutte. Such kind of values are known as absolute maximum, or in the reverse, absolute minimum. Okay, so in the question we will always be asked to find local maximum and local minimum. That is what we will be asked to find. If the question is absolute maximum, there is a question like that. When it comes, I'll tell you what you have to do. Okay, so let's come to this question. The function f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 3. First step is find f dash of x. That is our first step. Let's find that f dash of x. You will get it as 3x square minus 3, isn't it? Then equate it to 0 and find the critical points. So f dash of x is equal to 0 on the equate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So 3x square minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square is equal to 1, which implies x is plus or minus 1. You got x is plus or minus 1. Okay. Now let's find f double dash of x. F double dash of x is 6x. Okay. ಇವಾಗ plus 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ you will get 6, which is greater than 0. ಅದೇ ನೀವು minus 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ you will get minus 6, which is less than 0, which means this is a point of local maximum. F double dash less than 0 agidre, it is maximum. It is greater than 0, so 1 atra nimage minimum sigutte. So at -1 maximum value, at 1 minimum value. So that is all we did. First, this is your f of x. Find f dash of x equated to 0. You'll get the critical points or stationary points. You've got the stationary points. Okay, both are one and the same, critical or stationary. Once you got this, find f double dash of x. Put this values 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ greater than 0. So greater than 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minimum, lesser than 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ maximum, opposite. Okay. So in the given option, the function f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 3 as a local maximum at x equal to 1. No, that's wrong. Local minimum at x equal to -1, that's also wrong. Local maximum at x equal to -1, option B is correct. Similarly, please find for 45th one, the function f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 6x square plus 6x plus 5 as a local maximum. A local minimum at x equal to 1, neither maximum nor minimum at x equal to 1, none of these. Please find the next one by yourself. Okay, differentiated 6x square minus 12x plus 6 . You can write this as 6 of x square minus 2x plus 1. This also you can write it as x minus 1 into x minus 1. So critical points will be 1, 1, which is 1 itself. So you got the critical points. Now let's find f double dash of x. F double dash of x is 12x minus 12. Okay, 12x minus 12. So f double dash of 1, find moderate, you are getting it as 0. Then the test fails. F double dash of c is equal to 0, and then the test fails. So here what we'll do is, let's find f triple dash. Okay, f triple dash of x will become 12, which is not equal to 0. Okay, therefore this point 1, 1 is a point of inflection. Therefore neither a maximum nor a minimum. Okay, or what we can do is, it's a point of inflection. What we can do is, since you got f double dash as 0, what we'll do is, so finding this, wait, this is what I told, one example I told. So f double dash of 1, you got it as 0. Now the test fails, right? Now you are not able to tell whether it is maximum or minimum. So in that case, what you have to do is, the one ache each values put nodi whether it is changing the sign or not. Okay, so 1 again. So this side I'll give some 2, this side I'll give some -1. Okay. So let me give -1. -1 is -2. 1 -1 is again -2. So 6 into -2 into -2, you are getting a positive value. Okay, you are getting positive value. So ivaga 2 hatra kottaga negative bandre, if you get a negative, then change ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, therefore you will get maximum or minimum. So let's give 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Again you are getting positive itself. So illo e side positive, e side positive. As the x is going through this one mukantra hogbekare, it is not at all changing the sign. If it is changing the sign, then you will get maximum or minimum. But you are not getting it, I mean the sign is not changing, right? Therefore it is neither maximum nor minimum. So this one example you can remember. Okay, so f dash of x 1 e side a side sign na change ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. So neither maximum or nor minimum at x equal to 1. Again, this one is also f of x is equal to mod x. Okay, for x, let me plot the graph and show you. F of x is equal to mod x or 0. If x is 0, sorry, if x is 0, then the value is 1. Mod x is less than or equal to 1, greater than 0. See, first of all, let's redefine this. Okay, let's take the right hand side, mod x less than or equal to 1. Then x should be less than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to -1. Okay, but it greater than 0 ideyalva. But observe madi. Here, if I take this one, 0 ne include agbidutte. But here, observe, it is greater than 0. Andre 0 ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. So this minus 0. Okay, so this I can redefine as, or I can plot the graph. Okay, so 0 when x is 0, you will get the value as 1. All other values, you will get the graph like this. Here at this point, it is open. This point it is open. Andre x is equal to 0 hatra nimige value 1 ide. So 1 illi barutte. Illeno baralla. Okay, and you will get the graph like this. Clearly, you observe x is equal to 0 hatra. Just observe the values. As the values pass through, x, see, this is my 0. Il negative values irutte, il positive values irutte. Just observe, as I am going towards this, there is no change in the sign of the values. Therefore, it is neither maximum nor minimum, or simply it has no local maximum, no local minimum. So f has a point of inflection at 0. Coming to this example, this is what I told you. The smallest value of the polynomial. Okay, smallest value on the section you minimum kaniditira. That is also correct, but that is not alone the smallest value. Okay, I'll just show you. First, let's find the stationary points. Let's find the stationary points. First, let's differentiate it. X cube minus 18x square plus 96x. Okay. So here, this is my f of x. Let me find f dash of x, which is 3x square minus 36x plus 96. So take 3 common, you get x square minus 12x plus 32. Okay. If you simplify this, you'll get 32. 8 fours are 32. So that is satisfying. So 8 and 4 under x minus 8, x minus 4. I'm just factorizing this as step. Okay, this is f dash of x. So critical points bandu x8 ಮತ್ತು x4 ಹತ್ರ. X is equal to 8. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 8 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 4 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೂ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ನೀವು maximum and minimum ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಾ. Okay. But is this alone the local maximum? They have not mentioned the word local maximum or local minimum. They have asked you to find the smallest value. Then it will be the absolute smallest value. Okay, absolute minimum ಕೇಳಿರೋದು. Only if they ask local maximum or local minimum andre, so ಈ value ಹತ್ರ minimum ಅಂದ್ರೆ minimum ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು that is the answer ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. Suppose ಈ value ಹತ್ರ minimum ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is the minimum ಅಂತ answer ಬರೀತೀರಾ. But here they use the word smallest value. Local maximum, local minimum ಅನ್ನೋ word ನ use ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. In that case, what you have to do is you have to find the value at this point, and the end points in the given interval. ಇವಾಗ ಅವರು interval ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. In this question it is 0,9. Closed interval 0,9. So ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, okay, so x is equal to 8 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು, x is equal to 4 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 9. ಈ ಎಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಾ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಿದ್ವಿ. It is simply the smallest value, absolute minimum ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So in all this, these two and these two end points ಹತ್ರ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. But you can observe, ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ definitely you will get a greater number. Just observe, if I give 0, 0 cube is 0, 0 into 18 is 0, 0 into 96 is 0. So everything is 0. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ, 849 ಈ 0 ಗಿನ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಬರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. You can verify it. You can just give it and verify it. You won't get no values lesser than this. Therefore, at this point, we get the minimum value, and the minimum value is also 0. But suppose ನಾನು 4 ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. 4 cube is 64 minus 4 square is 16. 18 into 16 barutte plus 96 into 4. Definitely this value is not less than 0. ನಮಗೆ 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ 0 ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಬರುತ್ತಾನೋ 8 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 8 cube is 512, 8 into 16 4 plus 96 into 8. This is also not less than 0. The other one 9 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗಲೂ you won't get less than 0. So 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ 0 ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ. Therefore this is the minimum value. So the minimum value is option B, it is 0. Okay, the function f of x is equal to x bar x as a stationary point at the critical point ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. F of x is equal to x bar x. Let me take it as y is equal to x bar x. So we have to find the critical point. For that we have to differentiate it. So differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ it is function raised to function. So we'll take log on both sides. So log y is equal to x log x. That will be the thing. If you take log, let's differentiate it. 1 by y into y dash is equal to x into 1 by x. Product rule use ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. X into differentiation of this plus log x into differentiation of x. Log x into 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this you can write as x and x gets cancelled. You'll have 1 plus log x. Okay, so now this is what you got. 1 by y into y dash is equal to 1 plus log x. So here we have to find stationary point. Andre y dash ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 0 into anything is 0. 0 equals 1 plus log x. Therefore log x is equal to 1, sorry, minus 1. 1 is ಬಂದ್ರೆ minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore x is equal to e to the power minus 1. Okay, x is equal to e to the power minus 1. E to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by e. Okay, I hope you know this. Log x to the base e is equal to a, and like this, e to the power a will become x. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 ಇದೆ. So e to the power minus 1 will become x. So the question is x is equal to 1 by e. The function f of x is equal to x bar x. Simple, we differentiated it. Y dash is equal to 0. The function f of x is equal to x cube as a point of inflection at 0. That will be the answer. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ f dash of x ಮಾಡಿ 3x square ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, f double dash of x at x is equal to 0 ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. So f dash of x 3x square ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So x ಗೆ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. f double dash of x 6x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. x ಗೆ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But f triple dash of x is 6, which is not equal to 0. I told you this. Suppose f double dash of x 0 ಆಗಿ f triple dash of x 0 ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, then that point is known as point of inflection, which we did it, which I gave it earlier. So C, option C will be correct. A point of inflection at 0. Next, if f of x is equal to 1 divided by 4x square plus 2x plus 1, then its maximum value is, what is its maximum value? So you have to differentiate it. Okay, if you differentiate it, what do you get? I guess, okay, let me do it. F of x is equal to 1 by 4x square plus 2x plus 1. That's the question, I guess. If you differentiate it, ಇದನ್ನ x ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 by x ನ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 1 by x square, 4x square plus 2x plus 1 the whole square. Next ಇದನ್ನ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4x square ನ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 8x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2x ನ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is your f dash of x. To find the critical points, f dash of x is 0. So 0 equals minus 8x plus 2, 4x square plus 2x plus 1 the whole square. This cross multiply, this entire thing will go. 0 into anything is 0. So minus 8x minus 2 equal to 0. Minus 8x equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 by minus 8. Therefore x is minus 1 by 4. That is the critical point. Okay. And this critical point definitely will give you maximum. ಅದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. f dash of x value sign change ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. So the critical value is minus 1 by 4 ಅಲ್ವಾ. So minus 1 by 4 ಈ side, minus 1 by 4 ಆ side. Denominator ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು positive ಇದೆ. So it all depends on the numerator. So if you observe, let me give a negative value to it. Let me give minus 1 by 2. If you give minus 1 by 2, minus 8 of minus 1 by 2 plus 2. So 2 ones are 2 fours are 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. But ಆಚೆ ಒಂದು minus ಇದೆ. So minus into minus plus ಆಯ್ತು. So minus 1 by 4 ಈ side value ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ positive ಬಂತು. Next you give a value other side. Let's give 1 by 2 itself. 1 by 2 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 8 into 1 by 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. But ಆಚೆ minus ಇದೆ. So minus 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So negative. So 1 by minus 1 by 4 ಈ side positive ಇದೆ, ಆ side negative ಇದೆ. So it is changing from positive to negative. Since it is changing from positive to negative, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ದೆನ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಪುಟ್ ದಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ minus 1 by 4 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 4 the whole square plus 2 into minus 1 by 4 plus 1. So we'll get it as 4 into 1 by 16 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. 4 into 1 by 16, 4 ones are 4 fours are. So you got the answer as 1 by 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So simplify it. 1 minus half is half. Half plus quarter is 3 by 4. So on simplification, you get 3 by 4. Reciprocal, you get the answer as 4 by 3. We did a simple thing. F of x was given. F dash of x considered. Then point of, the stationary point is x is equal to minus 1 by 4 considered. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. For that, I checked this side and that side. What is the sign? Is it the sign changing? Yes, it is from positive to negative. Therefore, this is maximum value. Suppose it is negative to positive, then it will become minimum value. So if this is giving you maximum value, substitute and check it. So it is 4 by 3. So let's quickly do it. The positive real number x, when added to its inverse, gives minimum value. Gives minimum value when x is equal to what? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So the positive real number when added to its inverse, ಅಂದ್ರೆ reciprocal, x plus 1 by x. This is your y. Okay, this is your y, and they're asking you to find what will be at which point of x, at ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. For that, first let's find the y double dash once again. Let's find y dash. Y dash will become 1 minus 1 by x square. So equated to 0. 1 minus 1 by x square equal to 0. Which implies 1 by x square equal to 1, implies x square is equal to 1, x is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, let's find y double dash. So it will become 0 minus 1 by x square and differentiate madadre, it will become minus of x by 2x by x power 4 anta barutte. So x gets cancelled. So it will become y double dash is equal to minus into minus is plus 2 by x cube anta barutte, y double dash. So 1 hakadre, if you put positive 1, it is greater than 0. Negative 1 hakadre less than 0. So yav namak bekagirodu minimum alva. So 1 hakadre greater than 0. So illi minimum barutte, greater than 0 andre minimum. So at 1 you are getting the minimum value. That's the answer. Few more questions. So the positive real number x when added to its inverse gives the minimum value of the sum when x is equal to 1. Minus 1 hatra maximum barutte. Similarly, the minimum value of x square plus 250 by x. Same thing we have to do. So y is equal to x square plus 250 by x. Let's find y dash, which is 2x minus 250 by x square. Okay, let's equate it to 0. If you equate it to 0, you get 2x minus 250 by x square equal to 0. So you get 2x equals 250 by x square. Sorry, x square. Cross multiplied, 2x cube is equal to 250. Therefore, x cube is equal to 125. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Cube root of 125 is 5. So after 5, we have to find it. Okay. So substitute and calculate it. So we have found the stationary point. Once you find it, you'll get the answer. So just put x as 5. You get 50 plus 25, 75. The minimum value is 75. This we have already done at 53rd. We'll skip it. When I was doing trigonometry itself, the maximum value of f of x is equal to sin x cos x. The maximum value of 1 by x whole to the power x. It is similar to this question. 48th question. The f of x is equal to x power x. Take log on both sides, equated, you will get the answer. The abscissa of the point on the curve y is 3y is equal to 6x minus 5x cube, the normal at which passes through the origin. This is exactly similar to the question that we have done. For example, 39, the equation of the tangent where it crosses the x-axis. Instead of x-axis, it is origin. You can try that. These are similar questions. 56th one, at x is equal to 5 pi by 6, f of x kotore. First, what you do is f dash of x kandidiri. X is 5 pi by 6 and value na hakdaga 0 bantu andre, then that is a critical point, isn't it? But here, once you differentiate it and you put the value of x as 5 pi by 6, you won't get 0. Therefore, at x is equal to 5 pi by 6, you won't get a maximum or a minimum. So critical point agidretane whether you can find it is a maximum or minimum. So at x is equal to 5 pi by 6, it is neither maximum nor minimum. And this question yesterday we had done it. The function f of x is equal to tan inverse of sin x plus cos x on 0 to pi by 4. Yesterday we had done it for pi by 4 to pi by 2. Question number 21. On the interval of the function pi by 4 to pi by 2, tan inverse of sin x plus cos x. It was decreasing there. So here 0 to pi by 4, it is increasing. If you observe yesterday's class again, you will get to know. There itself I had done both 0 to pi by 4 and pi by 4 to pi by 2. Both was done. So 58. A manufacturer sells X items at a price of 5 minus X by 100 each. So one item do price of 5 minus X by 100. So total items is X items is. Okay, so the selling price will become x into 5 minus x by 100. I'll just do this one problem. This one is a bit different. Rest are easy. So cost price is x. Here it is 5 minus x by 100. Okay. Here they're asking us to find the maximum value. Very simple. This is the cost price of x items. This is the selling price of one item. So x item eshagate, selling price of x item will become x into this. And for example, 1 pen is 5 rupees and 10 pen eshagate. What will you do? You will multiply 10 and 5. So same logic. So we are going to use here one item is so much. So x item will become x into this. That will be the selling price. So let's multiply 5x minus x square by 100. This is your selling price. And this is your cost price of x items. They're asking what will be the profit. Profit to maximum barbekondre. Maximum value barbekondre. What should be the items? How many items should we sell? So we know that profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price. So selling price is 5x minus x square by 100 minus cost price is x by 5 plus 500. So this is your y. That's it. Instead of giving directly this, indirectly they're given. This is y. You differentiate it and find the critical point. So let's differentiate it. Y dash is equal to 5 minus 2x by 100 minus 1 by 5. You will get this. Okay. This is your, when you differentiate it, you will get this. So critical point you have to take it as 0 alba. So 0 equals 5 minus x by 50. 2 ones are 2 50s are. minus 1 by 5. Okay. So send this other side. Minus 1 by 5 this side will become plus 1 by 5 equal to 5 minus x 50. Okay. So let's multiply by 5 throughout, or you take LCM and solve it. Okay. So you get here, if you take LCM, 5 5s are 250 minus x by 50. Okay. 1 by 5. Cross multiply, you get 50 by 5 is equal to 250 minus x. 5 ones are 5 tens are. So change it, x is equal to 250 minus 10. Therefore, x is equal to 240. Andre x is equal to 240 idre nimage maximum barutte anta. Andre you have to sell 240 items. If you sell 240 items, ನೀವು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, see what did we do? Y dash ಕಂಡಿಡಿದು equate to 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, we got this. How can I tell this is maximum value? You just take y double dash of x. Y double dash of x, you will get it as less than 0. Y double dash ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, this is 0, this is 0. ಇದನ್ನ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 1 by 50 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, which is less than 0. Since y double dash is less than 0, then this should be your maximum value. So x is equal to 240, which means we have to sell 240 items to get maximum profit. So very simple question. Instead of giving directly, they have given it indirectly. So I'll stop here. Other questions are very easy, straightforward, same thing, again repeated, same thing. A car starts from a point T is equal to 0 and stops at point Q. So distance x is equal to T into 2 minus 2 T by 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So you differentiate it. If you differentiate it, you will get an answer. Equate it to 0. Why are you equating it to 0? Because at the end point, so dx by dt is nothing but speed. Change in distance with respect to time is known as speed. Starting point hatranu speed 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ending point hatranu speed 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Using that, you will get the value. Other things, f of x is equal to 2x plus cos x. You cannot find maximum or minimum, because if you differentiate it, you will get 2 minus sin x. So f dash 0 anta equate madre sin x is equal to 2 anta barutte. For no values of x, you will get sin x as 2. So you cannot find the maximum or minimum value. Then you have to check whether it is increasing or decreasing function according to the question given. So f dash of x is always greater than 0, therefore it is a increasing function. Other things, again, the two curves intersect at an angle. So yesterday I had given you the formula. Tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. So ಎರಡು curve ಗೆ slopes ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು, m1 and m2, then you substitute it. Again here, the function, you have to find whether it is an increasing or decreasing. All other things we have done it, similar type. So I'll just stop here with this. Applications of derivatives is completed. And here in this chapter itself, in this PDF itself, all the synopsis is given. As you can see, all the synopsis is given. You can go through this. Maximum, minimum. When is it increasing? When is it decreasing? All the required thing is given. Okay, that's it for the day, students. Thank you.